Welcome everyone. Today we will explore how our environment shapes the way we look, grow, and live, even when our genes are the same. In previous video, we talked about the variations, where variations means the difference we see among the individuals, like height, skin color, or even the shape of leaves in the plant. Some difference come from the genes and some from the environment. So, without getting any delay, let's start our video. Welcome to my science diary. Our surroundings, like sunlight, water, temperature, food, and lifestyle, all affect how we grow. These are called the environmental factors. Let's understand the effect of environment on variation through some examples. So, where in first example is nutrition and height, where as you can see, the nutrition play a big role. Even if two children they have the same genes for height, the one who eats a balanced diet grow taller and stronger. Second example is sunlight and skin color, where sunlight affect our skin color. The people who live in sunny place, they develop a more melanin to protect their skin. A great example of environmental influence. Plants in different conditions, even plant shows variations. A plant grown in sunlight look healthy and green, but the same one in shade, they may look pale and weak. The environment make a big difference. As we all know, the plant need light, water and minerals to grow well. If they don't get enough, they grow smaller and weaker than the other. It shows the variation due to the environment. Another example is exercise and body shape. Exercise also causes the variations. The people who stay active develop strong muscles, while those who don't exercise much may have weaker muscles. Another example is changing environments over time. Between 1985 and 2005, the average height of Chinese teenagers increased by 6 centimeters. Their genes did not suddenly change, the environment did. They had better food, healthcare, and living standard, helping them reach the height their genes allowed. So, genes and environment work together. Your genes give you a plan for how your body can grow, but your environment decide how much of that plan become reality. For example, you may have genes for strong muscles, but without good food or exercise, those genes won't show their full effect. Human and other animals are affected by their environment too. Your environment doesn't just mean your surroundings. Everything you eat, drink, do, and learn affect you in the some way. Where Sam and Addie are the identical twins, they inherited the same genes from their parents. The twins were hard to tell apart when they were babies. Sam was ill last year. He lost a lot of weight, but he still plays football. Where the Adi preferred boxing, he has built up his muscles by lifting weights. You can see the difference between the twins. This is the environmental variations. So, what we can say, even the identical twin, they have the same genes, but if one eat healthy food and exercise while the other doesn't, they will look and grow differently. That because the environments are not the same. So genetic variation it comes from our parents' gene, and environmental variations it comes from our lifestyle and surrounding. So together they make each of us unique. Look at this bonsai tree. It has the same genes as a normal tall tree has, but its roots can't grow deep because it's kept in a shallow pot. The small size is not caused by the genes, it's caused by the environment. And this is the great example of environment variation.
So remember, our genes are like blueprints, but the environment is the artist that shapes the masterpiece. That's how nature create beautiful variations in all the living things. So variations happens when genes and environment interact. Genes give the instructions, but environment decide how those instructions work in real life. Thank you so much for watching this video on environmental variations. I hope you find it interesting and easy to understand. If you enjoyed learning with me, please support this channel by clicking the subscribe button and giving a like. It really means a lot and help me keep making more science video for you. I would also love to hear your thoughts. Please share your feedback or any questions in the comment box below. See you soon in the next exciting science lessons from the science my science diary. Until then, keep exploring and keep learning. See you. Thank you.